Hello bright champs. Welcome to the Kiddies World. आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक exciting grammar topic जो करेगा आपकी English को super strong. So get ready to explore nouns collective. Let's jump into our lesson. Collective nouns. Collective nouns are special words that tell us about a group of people, animals, or things, all together with just one word. Let's start the lesson by looking at a few fun examples with the help of pictures. Let's look at the first picture. A boy is giving his sister a bunch of flowers. What do we call a bunch of flowers? That's right, a bouquet. So here, bouquet is the collective noun. Now look at the boy holding many cards. When we hold many cards together, we don't say cards, cards, cards. We call it a pack of cards. So pack is the collective noun here. Now look at the band on the stage. They're playing music together. When many musicians perform as one group, we call them a band of musicians. Wow, here comes a sports team. A group of players playing one game together is called a team. So this is a team of players going to the stadium. Uh-oh, what's happening here? Some people are robbing a bank. These people are working together in a bad way, and we call them a group of gangsters. Now look at the beautiful night sky. So many stars shining brightly together. What do we call that? A galaxy. A galaxy is a huge group of stars. So friends, remember, when we want to talk about many people, animals, or things as one group, we use a collective noun. Words like bouquet, pack, band, team, group, and galaxy help us describe many things in one smart and simple word. Activity time. Let's do this activity together. We'll fill in the blanks using the help box. Are you ready? Here we go. First one, a bouquet of. What do we give someone on special days that's full of colors and smells sweet? Yes, a bouquet of flowers. Next, a string of. What shines and is used in jewelry, one after another on a thread? Correct, a string of pearls. Now, a team of. Who plays together on a field, passing the ball to win the match? That's right, a team of players. Let's move on to the next, a herd of. What animals move together in the fields or villages, munching grass? You guessed it, a herd of cows. Last one, a pair of. What do we wear on our legs that has two parts, one for each leg? Perfect, a pair of trousers. Let's do one more activity. Listen carefully and try to guess the missing words. Sentence 1. This dash of singers is going to play at the assembly today. What do we call a group of singers performing together? Yes, a choir of singers. Let's read it again. This choir of singers is going to play at the assembly today. Now, sentence 2. I received a dash of flowers yesterday. What do we call a collection of pretty flowers given as a gift? Right, again, it's a bouquet of flowers. So the full sentence is, I received a bouquet of flowers yesterday. And here's the last one. Sentence 3. I like to see a dash of stars from the rooftop. What word do we use for a big group of stars shining together? It's called a galaxy. Let's say the full sentence. I like to see a galaxy of stars from the rooftop. Awesome work, Class 3 champs. आज का लेसन था full of learning और थोड़ी सी मस्ती भी. लाइक जरूर करना और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना किडीज वर्ल्ड को, जहां हर वीडियो में मिलता है फन लर्निंग का मैजिक. चलो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए सुपर टॉपिक के साथ. बाय बाय बच्चों, पढ़ते रहो, हंसते रहो.